Hello everyone, I am Ketan Jain and today we are here to discuss about Indian Hybrid. So Indian Hybrid is a team which manufactures a kit which can convert any of the two-wheelers into an hybrid vehicle, which means your single vehicle can be driven on petrol as well as on battery. We are giving a customer his old lovable bike with a new ride. So we, Indian Hybrid, are solving many of the problems in the market such as rise in fuel cost, rise in pollution rate, and yes, morning kickstart. As we are knowing the state of the condition of Delhi state, the pollution is getting higher and higher, and this will continue to Mumbai also. So Indian Hybrid is providing you a solution by limiting the emission of harmful gases. You can use our kit or electric mode on traffic and on starting area, where the consumption of fuel will be zero. At the end, this will give you zero emission of harmful gases. We are providing a recharging circuit system where when you're driving your vehicle on petrol mode, your battery will automatically charge. This charged battery can be driven in future ride. And we are eliminating the kickstart or self-start system where you just have to shift to electric mode and drive the vehicle. So what is our product? The main features of our product are, it is unique. First mover advantage. It has been tested and we have patented it. We have received provisional patent number for our product. This is a kit which converts any of the two-wheelers into an hybrid vehicle. Our product looks like there is a wheel-up motor and this is the kit. So our product consists of some important parts such as motor, controller, throttle, battery, charger, recharging circuit and storage box. The pictures of this product has been given. Innovation. Indian Hybrid came to market with some innovation, such as you can operate your vehicle with a single throttle, whether it is on petrol or on battery mode. Throttle arrangement, recharging circuit and digital hybrid meter. Digital hybrid meter is one thing which will provide you all the information about your vehicle. Your kilometer to be driven, your kilometer driven, your battery level, your petrol level. So now let's see how our prototype works. Here I will show you a single Activa is driven on petrol as well as on battery. Here the rear wheel of the Activa will be driven on petrol source and front wheel on the battery source. This is a video where I am just giving a throttle and this throttle will make my petrol engine work, which means the rear wheel will be driven. And then after I am switching it to electric mode, I just have to give a throttle and here the front wheel will be driven. So till now Indian Hybrid has reached here. But in future we are thinking of coming with a product which will give you all detail about the vehicle, which means we will provide you a hybrid kit where the battery update, the battery temperature, the fuel level will be shown on that meter. Thank you.